Good afternoon, everyone. I am Swati from Team Google Taxlers. Here, I would like to start a group discussion on is mankind responsible for the natural disaster? Well, in my point of view, man is not responsible for the natural disaster because you can observe the word natural disaster. It is a natural phenomenon. It was only done by the God. Maybe some believe that they are the things done by the God. You can even see that the floods, tsunamis, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, they are not in the hands of humans, right? So I think man is not responsible.
Myself, Ramaya, according to me, man is also responsible for natural calamities by the way that due to development of industries and factories, we are polluting our environment, and some of the plastics which are not dissolved in the earth, it will not dissolve in the earth, and it will makes the soil infertile. And due to global warming, some of the gases like carbon dioxide, which will also makes pollutant and pollute the nature. And
as Ramaya said, the man causes to the natural calamities, but not fully. It affects in a very less percentage. Maximum man was not a cause for natural disasters.
Yeah, natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, these all come under natural calamities. In my view, man is the person who is responsible for the floods and natural calamities. Let's take an example of preparing a motorcycle. A person uses it. It is very useful to a person, but in the preparation, the manufacture, it is in turn producing great pollution, which in turn creates radiation and very carcinogenic gases are released.
Well, I agree that the pollution is being caused by the humans, but we can also take an example of the dinosaurs in the ancient times, where human being is not even existed. Then also the natural calamities occurred like tsunamis, those floods and all those. Many of them believe that due to these natural calamities only the dinosaurs were extinct.
Yeah, I agree with the point of Swati. In addition to that, I want to state that natural calamity, yes, before the time of the man, there really occurred many natural calamities, but after the evolution of the man, the species of man, the natural calamities are increased a lot. There was a drastic change in the environment nowadays. It's all because of the mankind.
in some cases, nowadays we are seeing that in some areas ozone layer get depleted due to some of the poisonous gases which causes it to deflect. That means we are man is creating some pollution which will leads to some disaster, and it also cause environmental pollution.
For our sake, we invent so many things, we manufacture so many things, but all are useful to us. In the same way, those things are also affect to us. In factories, we did many things, but due to the factories, they are also causes pollution. It affects on nature.
Yeah, I agree with Shiva's point, and I want to add some more points on it. And deforestation is also one of the main cause of occurring this natural calamities. And due to some vehicles also, air pollution is occurring now.
As friends, I agree with all of you. As my point of view, a man who needs to cultivate a land, he uses many fertilizers to develop the crops. When the floods come over there, that react with the chemicals will react with the rain, and they dangerous to ozone layers. It also leads to mankind. He is responsible for natural calamities like floods, earthquake, etc.
Yes, I want to add another point of what Ms. Supriya said that about the deforestation, it's because of the deforestation the droughts are occurring many in our places. Due to deforestation, the rain falls in the certain area, but because of this deforestation, the fall of rain is very less. It is noted for the past 8-10 years that in the place of Adilabad, it was the drought area is being very around 78% for the last 10 years.
Yes, I agree with Harsha's point. Due to deforestation, it is due to man, it is causing floods, and it is due to man, it is causing floods, but not by the act of God.
Well, I agree with all my friends who said that with the advent of these technologies, only natural calamities are happening. But few calamities like wildfires, as I said earlier, tsunamis, earthquakes, those are unexpected, right? It will not be, we can't say that it was only by a man is responsible for them.
Yeah, what you said is totally right, and it's my opinion is that it's not all the fault of the mankind, but it's the mankind is in addition which is providing the natural calamities to occur and which is giving a great scope to the natural calamities to occur.
As I think that man was not affected for natural disasters. For you take an example, at the time of dinosaurs, I think there was no such kind of man. But water calamities are caused at that time, and it leads to dinosaurs were end. I think man was not affected for natural disasters.
Okay, my point is that we are using many industries and many vehicles like that. They are making very smoke, in turn which is creating global warming and many radiations are happening. It's because of that the ozone layer is being teared, and in turn it is making many radiations to us.
Also support with Harsha that and not only radiation, some of the invisible radiation which also affects nature, and it will get very harmful to the living organisms which are present on the
I can say that man is not responsible because he is in fact helping the other people, because as technology is developed, if these type of natural calamities also occur, they are intimating us to evacuate those places and go to a safer place rather than.
Is there any points you want to say?
I agree with Swati that awareness is created before us, but as we came to Vizag floods, we can't Hudhud, etc.
Okay, I want to conclude by considering this discussion. Not man is the only responsible for the natural disasters, but he is in addition making the natural disasters. So I want to conclude that not only the man, but natural disasters are occurring. Thank you.
Okay. Let me give an overall feedback on your performances. When compared to the previous two, I think like few of the people have taken many good chances to speak. And 419, I'm sorry, you have not at all taken any chance. If I want to eliminate from this team, if I want to who has not got any chance to go for the next round, that is 419, 424 and 427. I'm sorry, because you have not at all taken any chance to speak up. And coming to 420, you are very confident, but the chance you have taken is very less. Okay? You also have a scope, but you have not taken the chance. You also will be eliminated from the GD if you have spoke only once. And I appreciate 421 and 422 and 423 and 426 also. You four done very well. And Harsha, you come up with good examples. You have come with good number of entries. You have taken the chance many a times to speak and go on with the discussion. That is good. And at the same time, you are watching even the time. Time management is also more important in a GD. Appreciate for that, and you are excellent. And 422, you are also equally good. You have good initiation. You have naturality in your speech, and overall, you have good number of entries, and you are excellent. Ramaya, apart from your eye contact, you are rocking. Yes, you're not maintaining the eye contact, that's it. But you have knowledge, you have taken many chances, you are confident, overall you are good. But one part, your body language, check it out, because body language is carrying more marks in this sheet. Okay? So, because the winning and losing is just a mark of 0.5 and 0.1. Clear? 0.5 and 0.5, right? Next. I'm sorry, Girish. Harsha, you have taken chance. You started with the point of out of box thinking. I was happy with that. When everybody is going one way, you are going with the other way. But you didn't continue till the end. Okay? You should continue till the end. You should struggle. How? Even though nobody will give you a chance, you have to take the chance in a GD. You should be selfish. That's what I said. In GD, you should be very selfish. Even though you are all teams sitting together, you should be selfish that you have to speak a lot. And Shiva, even you are very good, you acknowledge the point of others. One thing is when Ramaya is speaking only, you are speaking next to him. I don't know why so. What is the connection between you and Ramaya? I don't know. Okay? And you, the first when you are speaking, you stopped suddenly. I don't know why you stopped suddenly. And you have mother tongue influence. When you are speaking, it is not like English, you are speaking like Telugu. It's just because you didn't have practice. You are speaking directly on this platform only English, isn't it? Isn't it? Right. So you also taken many chances. So if I want to select from this team as a highest preference, I would select Harsha, Swati and Ramaya too. Okay? Congratulations for your next round. Good.